Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, Sunday, March the 9th and March the 10th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles. The first one is the medium Sudoku. I will solve this one in a minute. Yeah, March the 9th. Yes. And in this newspaper, we have also the second regular puzzle, the Quintuplet. This one I will solve Sunday evening. But in the newspaper, we have also a puzzle page. The puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are: we have 2 Sudokus with 3 stars. We have a killer Sudoku. We have 2 binary puzzles, and the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. 6 puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block, in Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve on Sunday afternoon. Yes, Sunday afternoon. But first, let me solve this one. Yes, the medium Sudoku number 8 1. Let me see, 8 1. 8156. Yeah, 8156. 8156. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, it should be a 2 stars. Yeah, with 26 printed digits. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. 8, 8. Let me see. Need this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here's 6 in the middle row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, third column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 1 here, 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. Then, let me see. 8 in this column. first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no need to place letter 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this second row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so the first row, only place letter 8 should be there, 8, 8, okay. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. Wait. Then 2, need 5 here, 2, 5. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in the first column. Should be there. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only place left for the 5. Should be there. 5, 5. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the most. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. That means 1 box left in this big square for the mod. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then, let me see. 9, 9, okay. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Cannot continue with a 9 now. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then. Need a 6 here. Need a 3 here. Oh, wait. 3. Need a 3 there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. And need a 3 here. Okay. 3, 2, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. And look, we have the 2 and the 3 in this last column, so no 2 and the 3 in this box. 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there, so 1 is left in this third row for number 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Here 2 numbers left in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a 2 and a 4. Well, we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in the first row. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Then one box left in this middle column for number, I believe the 7, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, we have a 7 now. In the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 4 goes in there. Then 4, 8. Need an 8 there, I need a 4 here, and I need a 3. Yeah, need a 3 here. 3 and 8. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 3 in the last column. 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 place level. The 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. 1 box left in this row, I believe the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left is 7 should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Alright, how about the 6s then? And all the 6s are used. I can see, yeah, digit number 4, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. The 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left now. Oh, no. Here we have a 2 and a 7 are left in this column. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Well, actually, it should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, 2 stars. No. Let me give this a 0 stars, and we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Yes, until then, bye bye for now.